Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created editable fields for dynamic icon and color in menu link list, as you can see here. Now I want whenever I will click on save, it will reflect the change in the database too. So for that I have to check this and find .save click listener, which is this. Now I have to extract the text first, so here we have that. Okay, this is a children 2 and children 3 is the URL text. Now here we have icon and here we have icon color. This is 4, this is 5. Okay, right after that what we will do, we will add direct values there. 4, 5 having icon and here we have color. That's it. Now we will send these value in the backend. So here we have links icon color. It will be icon color and this will be simple icon. Here we have the link where this value will be posted in the default controller. Here it is. Add the values there. Oops, stop the application execution. Add links icon color, links icon color, and that's it. Now we will get this procedure and update the values. Links icon, this, copy again, icon color, copy, paste, and now simply execute. Let's build the application and once update the information of the post. Let's get font awesome. Here we have flat icon, font icon. For the post we will choose an icon. Or we can search post article book, or here we have that inspect element, FA bookmark, refresh this page, close this. Okay, now it's get refreshed and we are going to add dynamic icon for the post. Hit edit, here is that, and here we have red. Collapse this, save it, Now refresh once again to see is it worked or not. Okay, here we have exception. Once we need to execute it again to catch the exception. Okay, edit this and color is red. Click save, red and bookmark. Click on continue and see what is the exception. Could not be truncated. Okay, this information is added here. Yes, we have an error here, and that is because we are inserting space in our table. Okay, so now I have to increase the space of my table for these columns. I can simply modify them and make it this and this. Okay, it's not updated, or we can do something else like this. Let it continue. Go to the links. Okay, when I will get icon and icon color, I will remove the extra space, and for this we will use JavaScript function. Here we have JavaScript function .trim. It will remove all the white spaces from the information, and here we have a check here. Okay, now we will say edit and save again, and here you will see we have only this values. Click continue. Okay, and still we have the error. Oh yes, I forgot that I am using a huge string here. So instead of this, I will use this string and save it, and it will get saved easily. And the reason is that we are using less character. We are using 10 character for the icon, but we are inserting a huge string, and that's why it's happened. Now refresh this and see how the car icon is look alike in the red color. Okay, here you can see we have a dynamic icon. To prevent this exception, you can enhance the size of storage in the table. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.